Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can enable auto capitalize feature on our Samsung Galaxy phone's keyboard. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first thing first, we have to go to our settings. And after we have the settings opened, we can go to the general management setting. You can scroll down to find this general management setting. Just open the setting, and then you have to go to the Samsung keyboard setting. Okay, and then you can go to more typing options, and here where you can find the auto capitalize feature on your Samsung Galaxy phone's keyboard. If you want to activate this feature, you just need to click on the circle button, and now the auto capitalize feature has been activated. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn on the auto capitalize feature on Samsung Galaxy phone's keyboard. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.